Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start the worksheets related with the fraction and decimals. Before that we did that work it out that is given in textbook B. Now there is the question which we are going to solve that are given in your workbook B. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Express each decimal as a fraction or a mixed number in its simplest form without using a calculator. So part A is 0.7 is equal to what? First of all, we have to change into the fraction. So we will write 7 here. Now we have to check after decimal how many digits are there? 1. So we will put here 10. Now we have to check either 7 and 10 will come in any table together. So this is not possible. And the second thing which we have to check that either our numerator is greater than our denominator, but this is again 7 is smaller than 10, so our answer is simply 7 upon 10. Now move on to part B. It is 0.8. Now what we have to do, we have to write 8 here. Then how many zeros we have to put? We will write 10, okay, with 1 0 because there is only one digit after decimal. Now we have to check 8 and 10 will come in any table together. Yes, both the numbers are divisible by 2. So it will become what? 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now we will see further either 4 and 5 both come in any table together. So no, this is not possible, and our numerator is smaller than our denominator, so we won't go for mixed fraction. So the simplest form for 0.8 is 4 upon 5. Now part C is 0.35. Now we have to change first of all into the fraction. It will become 35 upon what? How many digits after decimal? 1, 2. So we have to put 2 0. It will become 100. So we have to check 35 and 100. Both are divisible by any common number. Yes, both are divisible by 5. As we know the divisibility rule for 5, that any number that ends with 5 or 0 are divisible by 5. So we will divide both the numbers with 5. It will become what? 7. 5 7s are 35 and what? 100. 5 2s are 10 and 0 come here. So it will become 7 upon 20. Now we have to check either 7 and 20 will come in any table together. No, this is not possible, and our numerator again is smaller than our denominator, so we won't go for the mixed fraction. Our simplest form is 7 upon 20. Now come to part D. It will become 0.125. It will become what? 125 upon what? 1 2 3. How many zero we have to put? 3. It will become 1000. Again we have to check both the numbers are divisible by any common number. Yes, again both are ending with 5 and 0, divisible by 5. So it will become what? 125 2s are 10. Okay, then 2 5 5s are 25. And what? 5 2s are 10 and 2 0 carry down. You can do by division method as well, but we did in the we did all these divisions when we were doing the textbook questions, so that's why I'm going without doing the divisions. So it will become 25 upon 200. So now 25 and upon 200 both are ending with 5 and 0, again are divisible by 5. So what we will do, 5 5s are 25 and then 5 4s are 20 and 5 0 will come here. Now again you can see 5 and 40 both are divisible by 5. So what we will do, we will divide it and it will become what? 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and then what? 5 8s are 40. So we can say that the simplest form for 0.125 is 1 upon 8. So 1 is smaller and 8 is greater, so we won't go for any mixed fraction. Now move on to part E. Part E is 2.5. So first of all we have to separate 2 because the 2 is your whole number. 2 plus 0.5. So we will change this 0.5 into fraction. It will become what? 5 upon 10 because there is one digit after decimal. So both are divisible by 5. So it will become what? 2 plus 1 upon 2. So the answer will become 2 whole number 1 upon 2. The mixed fraction for this question is 2 whole number 1 upon 2. Now move on to part F. That is 3.12. Again the whole number you have to separate. It will become 3 plus 0.12. So it will become 3 plus 1 2 upon 100, because after decimal how many digits? 2. We will 20 here. Now we have to check 2 and 12 and 100 will come in any table together. Yes, both are divisible by 2. So we will divide. 3 we will carry down like it is. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 0. Now again both are divisible by 2. So what we will do? 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. So it will become what? 3 whole number 3 upon 25, because 3 upon 25 won't come in any table together, and 3 is smaller than 25. We won't go for any mixed fraction. Your answer will already in mixed fraction because we have whole number. So the answer will be 3 whole number 3 upon 25. Now come to part G. Part G is 4.004. First of all, separate whole number. Okay, then plus we have to write 0.004. It will become what? 4 plus 4 upon 1 2 3 1000. So we will divide 4 and 1000 by 2. Both are divisible by 2. 4 plus 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Then 2 0 carried down. Again we have to divide by 2 because both are divisible by 2. 4 plus 2 1s are 2. And then what we have to do? We have to 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 0 carried down. So our answer will become what? 4 whole number 1 upon 250. 250, this is the mixed fraction that we will get for 4.004. Now come to part H. Part H is 5.225. 225. So first of all we have to separate whole number. 5 plus 0.225. What we have to do? 5 plus 225. How many zeros will come here? 1000. So both are ending with 5 and 0. So we are divisible by 5. So it will become 5 plus 2 4s are 20. 2 we have to join this 5 with 2 and it will 25. In 5 5s are 25. And then 5 2s are 10 and 2 0 we will carry down. Again they are divisible by 5. So 5 plus 5 9s are 45 and 5 4s are 20 and then 40. Now 9 and 40 won't come in any table together and our numerator is smaller than denominator, so we won't go for further division. So our answer will become what? 5 whole number 9 upon 40. This is our simplest form. Or you can say this is the mixed fraction for 5.225. Okay, now move on to question number 2. Now question number 2 is express each fraction or mixed number as a decimal without using a calculator. It's just the reverse of the previous question. There we have to change the decimal into the fraction or the mixed fraction. Now here we have to change the fraction or the mixed fraction into the decimal form. So let's start. First of all 9 upon 10. So 9 upon 10, first we can put decimal because we have multiple of 10 here. So what will be the answer? After how many digits we will put decimal? After 1. 0.9. Simply your answer will be 0.9. Okay, fine. Now part B is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Either we have to shift this one into the multiple of 10s. So we can change into 10, 100 or 1000. So 5 we can easily change into 10. So what we will do? We will multiply 3 upon 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, because 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 6 upon 10. So now you can put decimal easily. 0.6. 10. After decimal, how many digit? 1 digit. Okay, now we will start part C, that is 5 upon 8. So first of all, we have to change this denominator 8 into multiple of 10, either 10, 100 or 1000. So what we have to check? We know we can't change 8 into 10. So we will try for 100. So we will put 100 inside and 8 outside. 8 ones are 8 minus 2, 0, 8 twos are 16. 4, no. 8 is not, 100 is not completely divisible by 8. So this is not possible. So we will go for 1000. 8 ones are 8 minus 2, 0, 8 twos are 16. Okay, minus 4 and then this carry down 40, 8 fives are 40. So it means 1000 is completely divisible by 1000 is completely divisible by 8. So our question is 125. We have to multiply both the numbers with 125 in order to get 1000 in our denominator. So it will become like this. 125 multiplied by 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10. To carry 2 here. 5 ones are 5. Then 5 ones are 5 and 6. So it will become 625 upon 1000. So after how many digits we have to put 0? There are 3 0. We have to put decimal after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So our decimal will come here. 0.625 is the decimal form for 5 upon 8. Now move on to part D. 7 upon 25. So again we have to change 25 into either 100 or 1000. So what we will do? We will have to check with which number we will multiply 25. So we will get 100. You know, all of you know 25 table. 25 ones are 25. 2s are 50. 3s are 75 and 4s are 100. So simply what we have to do? We have to multiply both the numbers with 4. 25 multiplied by 4, so that we will get 100 in denominator. 7 4s are 28 and 100 here. Now after how many digits we have to put decimal? It would come after 2 digits because we have 2 0 here. 1 2. So here will come point decimal. Now 0.28 is a decimal form for 7 upon 25. Now move on to part E. Part E is one whole number 1 upon 2. Now we have mixed fraction. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to separate the whole number, like 1 plus, what is the fraction? 1 upon 2. So we have to change this one into multiple of 10. So that is very easily possible because 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. We all know that if you multiply 2 with 5, it will become 10. 1 plus 5 upon 10. So after how many digits you will put decimal? 0.5 because 1 0 after 1 digit. So it will become, the answer will become 1.5. This is the decimal form for part E. Now part F. 3 whole number 3 upon 4. So first of all separate your whole number. Fine. What we will get? The fraction 3 upon 4. Now you have to change this 4 into any multiple of 10, 20, 10, 100 or 1000. So we know that 10 is not possible. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 10 won't come in 4 table. But you know that 20 table, 20 ones are 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. So it means that if you will multiply 4 with 100, 4 with what? 20. So you will get 4 with 20. No, 25. Okay, now we will start part F. 3 whole number 3 upon 4. So first of all we have to separate the whole number. 3 plus 3 upon 4. So we have to check with which number we will multiply 4, that we will get either 10, 100 or 1000. 10 is not possible because 10 won't come in 4 table. So if you multiply 4 with 25, like 25 multiplied by 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. It will become 100. So 3 plus 3 multiplied by 25 and 4 multiplied by 25. It will become 3 plus what? 3 multiplied by 25 will become 75 and then 100. So after how many digits you will put 0? It will become 0.75 and then your answer will become 3.75. The decimal form for 3 whole number 3 upon 4 is 3.75. Now start part G. Part G is 2 whole number 4 upon 5. So again the same pattern, you have to separate your whole number. 2 plus 4 upon 5. You can change 5 into either 10 or 100 or 1000. Yes, we can easily change 5 into 10. So what we have to do? We have to write 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. It will become 2 plus 8 upon 10. So 8 upon 10. Now after how many digits you have to put decimal? After 1 digit. Because we have only 1 0 in the denominator, it will become 0.8. The answer will become 2.8 is the decimal form for 2 whole number 4 upon 5. Now move on to part H. 4 whole number 7 upon 8. Now 4 we will separate plus 7 upon 8. Okay, now we have to change this 8 into any multiple of 10. And in the previous question, we checked that 8 only we can change into 1000 by multiplying with which number? With 125. So what we will do? We will write here like this. 4 plus 7 multiplied by 125 upon 8 multiplied by 125. 4 plus now 125 multiplied by 7. 7 5s are 35, 5 here, 3 we will carry, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 we have to carry, 7 1s are 7 and 8. It will become 875 upon 1000. So after how many digits we have to put decimal? It will become 4 plus 0.875 and our answer will become 4.875. This is your question number 2 on page number 2. Now we will start question number 3, that is on page number 3. Now the question number 3 is express each fraction or mixed number as a decimal correct to the 2 decimal places. Use a calculator to check your answers. So we can do easily even without using calculator. So we will start here. 1 upon 3. So as they have shown already, they will put 1 inside, your numerator will come inside and 3 outside. So 3 will be your divisor. So now 1 is smaller than 3. What we will do? We will put point here and add 0. 3 3s are 9. Minus what we will get? 1. Again 1 is smaller than 3. We will put add 0. Then 3 3s are 9. Again we will get 0 and then 3 3s are 9 and 1. But we will stop here because why? Because they want our answer in 2 decimal figures. So we have to go up to 3 decimal figures. In case we have to round it off, we can easily round it off. Okay. Now in this case, what will be our answer? 0.333. We have to check the last digit. If the last digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then we will change this number by increasing by 1. It will become 4. But this is smaller than 5, so we won't do anything. Our answer in 2 decimal figure is 0.33. Okay, now we will start part B. Part B is 3 upon 8. Now 3 will come inside, 8 outside. Okay, now 3 is smaller. We will put point here, add 0. Okay, what we will get? 8 3s are 24. Fine. Now we will 10 minus 4 because we have to borrow. 10 minus 4 6. Now again 6 is smaller than, we will add 0. Okay. 8 7s are 56. Fine. Now 10 minus 4 is equal, 6 is equal to 4. Now we will add 0 because we have to go up to 3 decimal figures. Okay. 8 5s are 20. 8 5s are 40. Now it is completely divisible. So your answer will be 0.375. But we want answer in 2 decimal figure. So what we have to do, we have to change into 2 decimal figure answer. For this purpose, we have to check the last digit. If the last digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we will increase the next number by 1. So here our last digit is 5. It will become 0.38. 0.38. This is our answer for question part B. Now move on to part C. Part C is 2 whole number 2 upon 11. Now again what we have to do, we have to separate our whole number. 2 plus 2 upon 11. So what we have to put inside? We have to put inside 2 what is our numerator and outside 11 whatever is our denominator. So it will become 2 is smaller, we will put 0 here, point, then add 0 here. 11 ones are 11. Okay, fine, minus 9. Then again add 0. 11 8s are 88. Fine. Again we will get what? 2. After subtracting, now we will add 0. It will become 11 ones are 11. So it will become 9. But we won't go further because we need only up to 2 decimal figure answer and we get up to 3 decimal figure. Now what we have to do? We have to write 2 point plus 0.181. So when we round it off, it will become 2 plus 0.18 because this one is smaller than 5. So we won't change anything in the next number. It will become 0.18 and our answer will become 2.18. Okay, there is another method. You can solve this question by that method. I want to solve the question by that method as well, and that is what? 2 whole number 2 upon 11. What you have to do? You have to multiply this 11 with this 2 and then add 2. 22, it will become what? 24 upon 11. Now what you have to do? You have to put 24 inside, 11 outside. 11 2s are 22 minus 2. Now 2 is smaller. Put point, add point here and add 0 here. Now 11 ones are 11. Now 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Again we will add 0. Why we are doing so? Because we need our answer up to 2 decimal figures. Okay, 8s are 88 minus 2, again 0, 11 ones are 11 and then 9. We won't go further. So our answer will again 2.181. For 2 decimal figure, the answer will be 2.18. Okay, now move on to part D. Part D is 4 whole number 5 upon 9. So again, if you want to go for the first method, it will become 4 plus 5 upon 9. We will put 5 inside, 9 outside. So add point here, add 0. 9, how many times? 9. 5s are 45. Okay, fine. Subtract 5. Again smaller, we will add 0. Again 5s are 45. Subtraction, again 5, 0, 45, 5. But we will stop here because we will get 3 up to 3 decimal figure. It will become 4 plus 0.555. So your answer will become what? Because this number is equal to 5. So we will increase this number by 1. It will become 4 plus 0.56. Your answer will become what? 4.56. Okay. Now move on. We can solve by the other method as well. That is 4 whole number 5 upon 9. Multiply 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 5 is equal to 41. 41 upon 9. So we will put 41 inside 9. 9 fours are 36. What we will get? We will get 5 here. Put decimal, add 0. Now 9 5s are 45. Again the same division. 5, again add 0, 45. Then again 5. Again 5 add here, 0, 45. So 5 here. So what we will get? We will get 4.555. When we round it off, it will become 4.56. And we want our answer in 2 decimal figures. Now move on to the last part of this worksheet, that is part E. Part E is 3 whole number 5 upon 7. So again we will separate 3 plus 5 upon 7. I am going to put 5 inside, 7 outside. Putting point here, add 0. Now 7 sevens are 49. Now what we will get? 1. Now again 0. 7 ones are 7. What we will get? 3. We will add 0. 7 fours are 28. And then again 2. But we won't go further. What we will get? We will get here 3 plus 0.714. So the answer will become what? 3.71. Because the last digit is smaller than 4, so it will not increase the next number by 1. The same digit will come, it will become 3.71. Now if you want to solve by the other method, 3 whole number 5 upon 7. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 5 is equal to 26 upon 7. Now 26 upon 7. 7 threes are 21. Now what left? 5 here. 0.0. 7 sevens are 49. Again 1. 0 7 ones are 7. Minus 3. So what we will do? 3. Then we will add 0. 7 fours are 28. So we will get 2. So now we have to stop here. Our answer will become 3.714. For 2 decimal figure, the answer is 3.71. Okay, this is the worksheet related to our first topic, that is fraction and decimal. Now in the next video, I will start the work it out of that is related with the multiplication of by 10, 100 and thousands. Okay, follow me in the next video.